Hey, what is up you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Untitled Chapter, and I make lifestyle, beauty and needs creative content. So if that's what you're about and that's what you want to see more of, please do subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And then if you're a returning subscriber or day one subscriber, what do you do, baby? Welcome back, and thank you for joining me again for today's video. So as you can see, today I'm a redhead or whatever, I look cute or whatever. Please don't mind the background sound. I have my heater on because it's cold in Joburg. But anyway, I look so pretty today, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, please do continue watching. And also today's hair is brought to you by WorldNewHair, which is actually hair I won from a competition, well, a giveaway. Also please do follow me on my Instagram right here. I'm about to go take some pictures, so please go to my Instagram and like those pictures. Thank you. They probably won't be up by the time this video is up because I have a lot to do. But anyway guys, I look cute today, and I'm so sad because I can only have this hair for one day. I need to go do my braids tomorrow. But thank you for watching, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Hi guys again. So I'm still at home. I still have the situation going on, but nonetheless, let's continue on with today's video. Today's hair is brought to you by WorldNewHair. I actually won this hair on a giveaway. It wasn't like a sponsorship or anything. I won it, so I'm really excited to try it on for the first time, and you'll see why. So in the little satin thingy, I got the band thing to lay your wigs, the satin thing to lay your wigs, and then I have a coupon thingy, and then I have wig caps. I also have this cute clip. I feel like this would be more useful if I actually was going to church, but since it's COVID and whatever, I can't do that. And I got a pair of lashes. I feel like these companies, all their lashes are good quality. The only thing is that they're too long for my face. So this is today's wig. Just 99J burgundy hair. It's supposedly 18 inches, but I think it's like almost 16 inches. It is a body wave, as you can see, but I don't think I'm going to keep it a body wave. I tried to pluck this wig, but I literally couldn't because there was like hairs, little hairs. You see here, I don't know if you can see, but there's like little hairs that stick out like this, and I didn't even pluck it, so I think the wig just came like that, which just made it harder to pluck. So I was like, I'm not gonna pluck it. So, and I didn't bleach the knots. So yesterday I tried putting on like mousse and got TV gel, the blasting free spray to like make it flat and stuff like that, to like try and salvage the hair basically, so that it lays flat here and I don't have those little things sticking out of my hair. So I didn't like that at all because it makes the wig harder to work with. But I am so excited, so let's get to installing this baby. So now that I'm beginning the process of laying my wig down, at this point I'm just gonna pop the wig on my head, then I'm gonna clip the hair back so that I can prepare to cut the lace. And you guys know by now, when you cut your lace, if you're using scissors, do a zigzag motion, and then if you're using razors, which is based, just cut basically. So I start in the middle, as you guys know, and then I just work my way around the lace just to remove it, because I find it I work best when I remove the lace before I lay my wig down basically. So when I finish cutting my lace, as you will see right about now, I will be going in with my ORS mousse just to lay the hair back a bit, like my baby hair or the tiny hairs in the front. As I said, this hair has a lot of flyaways, so you will need strong mousse, like very strong mousse, to lay those flyaways down so that you can lay your wig properly and those flyaways do not interfere with you melting your lace. And then I'm going to use my blasting free spray to lay down the wig. I find this works the easiest. Like, like 2 minutes you're done basically. But I feel like this works best when you do work with a hairdryer because it just melts your wig down, you guys. Like you never go wrong with using this blasting free spray. After that, I'm just gonna go in with my black Got2b huge gel and then just touching up my hairline, like the front of the lace, to just make sure that everything is perfect. I don't know why I'm going in with the spray now again, but I guess I felt I needed it. By my sides, actually, like I never lay my wig properly down by my ear tabs because I usually have hair there disturbing me, and I literally can't do anything about that hair. Then I'm going in with my hairdryer. I think I set it on cool, or like I just alternate between cool and warm to just melt the wig down to give me that, you know, growing out of my scalp kind of a look. And then here I'm cutting or doing my baby hair. I did go off camera to like section this part because it is very difficult to do it. And then I'm just using my mousse to just like do my baby hairs, basically, to just like sculpt them the way I like. I like having like light baby hairs. I don't like my baby hair like thick and whatever. So I find what I do like basically works for me, and I did promise you guys that I'm going to do this process on camera the next time I wear my wig, which is why I'm showing it right now. And as you can see, you guys, this takes a long time. Literally, it takes a long time. But at this point, I am going to take my band and wrapping it around. I actually lost the black one that I usually use. You guys know that one. That's my holy grail. I lost it this day, but thankfully I did find it. And then I'm just gonna go in with this satin one to just give me like an extra hold. Yeah, I'm gonna go do my makeup and come back, and hopefully everything will be cute and whatever. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup except for the lip area, but I'll do that later on. So at this point, I don't know whether I should leave it like this, like curly or whatever, or if I should make it straight. I kind of like this. I'm just going to use my oil to just revamp the curls without me having to iron it because I'm lazy. Yeah. My lips look so ashy, but you know what, don't focus on that, focus on the hair. I like it like this. I'm going to leave these messy curls. Obviously I'll braid them up with mousse, they'll dry up, but I like this messy look. So now I'm just gonna remove the bands and we'll take it from there. So after removing my band, obviously I'll have that demarcation line where my makeup ended, and now this is me just trying to blend everything in. I think I did go off camera to do that. So now I'm just putting on mousse to just flatten the hair down and using a hot comb. It is very important that you use a hot comb when you use mousse. I actually burnt myself this day, you guys. Like, I was so annoyed. I wanted to cry because it was so painful, and it's literally right in the middle of my forehead. So I think I actually went off camera after that happened because I wasn't having it to chill. So yeah, just hot comb your hair to just flatten it at the top. I wish I had like a wax stick to help me with this hair because child, the flyaways were a lot, but I'm in love with the color, you guys. Do you love it? Because personally I do. I feel like I'm entertaining you guys in this hair video, but that's what I want. So yeah, just watch me hot comb the hair, trying to flatten everything down before I burn myself. So you guys, I am done, and At this point, I'm just trying to find a color that doesn't look good in me. Yeah. I know that's right, but my makeup is looking a bit shady. You know, I'll fix that later. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also guys, I went off camera because I literally burned myself right over here. This area here, it's burning so badly. I burned myself with what's this called, this thing, and now I feel like I'm gonna have to wear makeup to cover that black spot for like 1.5 years because this has happened to me before and it's really not cute. But anyway, at least I look cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. All the details for this hair will be in the description box down below. Please do purchase it, especially for summertime, because darling, we are coming through. And also I didn't do anything to these curls, they're so gorgeous. But anyway, and also the hair I was complaining about actually laid done. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Bye.